In today's video, I will teach you how to make your own resume using Canva. Let's get started. First, open Canva and in the search bar, type in the keyword resume. There are thousands of templates and designs to choose from, but you can filter out the designs that you like by enabling the different filter options on the sidebar. Make sure to choose a template tailored to your industry and unique qualifications, or simply choose one that matches your personality. Also, take note of the tags attached to the template. If you see this crown tag, it means that you need to upgrade to Canva Pro to use this template. Once you found the right design for you, you can now customize it. You can also upload your own image, videos, and audio to make the design more personal if you would like to send the resume through the internet. And to add text, you can select from different font combination presets available in the text tab. And once you're satisfied, you can now save it to your computer or post it directly to your LinkedIn account. To do so, click on the Share button at the upper right side of the screen and select Share on Social. Here, you can select whether to post it directly to your LinkedIn profile or LinkedIn page. But you can also download the file directly to your computer if you would like to print the resume on your own. Just make sure to select the right format, and you're done. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.